Oh my gosh, I'm about to puke, guys. I literally have PTSD. I'm not kidding. What is going on? Because this is literally how I lost all my money, all my XRP earlier this year. Okay, it was all due to Trump and his tariffs. Why? Because there was a black swan event, and this, it's repeated, right? We've seen deja vu, guys. XRP literally just died. Okay. But first, I would like to mention, we told you so. XRP, if we don't stop Aladdin now, it will make Bitcoin dump to 60K and XRP down dump to $1.23, right? And you think we're kidding about this, guys? No. Now I feel very sad, but it's because I'm pretty sure a lot of people did lose a lot of money today, right? I wasn't trading, I wasn't doing anything, but a lot of people did. $1.25 XRP. You guys see, right? Look at XRP, guys. Look what it just did. XRP went down to $1.76 on different exchanges. This went down to 78 cents. This, by the way, confirmed Mr. Pool chart. Okay, on that exchange, here went down to 158. These are different exchanges. Here it went down to 139. Right. So all depends on exchange, but it did go down there. Did we call it? Right? Did we call it? I had a feeling something very strange was going on, guys, and I'm just saying, right? I'm just saying, BC Backer called it too, right? But we did mention the prices. What's weird to me is Bitcoin actually held the line. How is Bitcoin so strong? Look at this, right? Right now, Bitcoin should have been down there. I'm not even kidding. Bitcoin should. I don't think we're at the bottom though. I think Bitcoin is gonna still keep going lower, guys. Right? And XRP hasn't hit the bottom yet. Okay, it hasn't. It's just my 2 cents here. But guys, this is crazy, right? Over $5.5 billion liquidated from the crypto market in the past 60 minutes. And there's going to be a few more $1 billion liquidations incoming in the next probably month, okay? And they're going to time XRP's explosion with the ETFs going live, I think, in November. So they're going to make XRP keep dumping. So be very careful now, okay? Oh my lord, I'm about to puke, guys, and this is all Donald Trump's fault. It wasn't 5 billion, it was over 7 billion in crypto liquidated in the past 24 hours, right? This 5.5 only happened in the past 60 minutes. In an hour, the exchanges profited billions of dollars, right? And there's going to be over 10 billion in the coming month, I think, that people are going to lose. I think because this is not the bottom. I'm pretty sure we're going to keep going lower, guys, okay? So people are mentioning that it's all Donald Trump's fault, which it is. But again, it's so Donald Trump is a puppet to Aladdin, which goes back to BlackRock. Okay, so we could blame Donald Trump for this, but it really goes back to Aladdin there, right? Now someone asked in the comments in my previous video, okay, well, we know it's Aladdin, but how could we stop Aladdin? I replied, I don't know. I myself don't know how to stop Aladdin. But we do know it leads back to BlackRock, right? People are now mentioning Trump should actually be jailed for this, straight to prison, no trial, right? Yeah, I mean, I agree, guys. I agree because he has been manipulating the markets, okay? He has been manipulating the markets to the highest order. From who? Again, from probably BlackRock. Looks like Trump put 100% tariffs on crypto. Right now, you know, they were beefing, guys, right? Trump with China, but now he's like, we're gonna have a meeting, right? He hasn't canceled his meeting with China or Xi Jinping, right? Previously he did, right? To manipulate the markets go lower, but now he's like, nope, I haven't.
Confirmed. Have you canceled your meeting with President Xi? And
no, I haven't canceled, but I don't know that we're going to have it. But I'm going to be there regardless, so I would assume we might have it. But you know, they hit the world with something that really is not anything that people are going to do, and it was shocking. I can tell you, Howard and I and Todd, we all Scott, we were all speaking about it before, and we said, where did that come from? It was just, that was out of the blue, right? Out of the...
Trump. I don't know. Me personally, guys, I hate but like Trump at the same exact time, right? It's like a love-hate thing going on here because it was all due to him as well that ruined the markets this year. Okay, it's all one person's fault, Donald Trump, but he's obviously getting the. It's his fault, but it's his fault because he's agreeing with whoever is giving him the order. He could just disobey, right, the master. But if he were to do that, then who knows what type of consequences he would have, right? He's in line here, but again,
the blue, they came up with this whole import-export concept, and nobody knew anything about it. So.
If they roll back their export controls, the new announcement, would you
Well,
roll back?
look, we're going to have to see what happens. That's why I made it November 1st. We'll see what happens.
Confirm.
So I hope you all are safe, guys, right? I actually feel sad because I know a lot of people probably just lost their whole portfolio due to trading and stuff like that. So I hope you don't do anything dumb here. Stay put, stay collected. You know, money isn't everything to the people who have lost everything here, because I know for a fact there are a few that lost everything 100%, right, due to the liquidations here. Ridiculous. So you know, you will make it out. But coming back to Trump, I think there should be some consequences for Trump, 100%, right? Or for BlackRock or Aladdin, guys. But at the end, there won't be. You know that, right? Biggest crash since COVID crash of 2020, guys. Look at that. Literally everything just died. The crazy part is I didn't. I think I only put like a couple $100 in. Right, I did buy some XRP, but I didn't even buy the crash. I bought XRP, I think, around like right before it literally died. Right before, just like a few minutes before. But I did put a couple $100 in. Though it is in the bottom, guys, I'm gonna buy some more XRP here in the coming weeks, right? Because I don't think this is the bottom. I think it's gonna go down again, right? More billions of dollars of liquidations incoming. So be very careful, okay, guys? Simply no way that the whale on Hyperliquid isn't Trump's family, shorted $1 billion right before the crash, right? Look at this. There are insiders. Come on, there has to be a Trump family here that watches this, like our videos. Just give me the call, please, right? Just give us a call before this thing appears. It's all they needed to do, right? Let us be insiders like you. Wow, look at these insiders. They shorted Ethereum, Bitcoin with hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars, and they profited like near hundreds of millions of dollars today. This is just one entity, by the way, right? That opened that much. And look at this one, $100 million profited from the destruction of others. Okay. They all opened these trades, by the way, 30 minutes before the Trump tariffs announced. Last time, I don't think this is a good time to buy. Donald Trump didn't say this. He said this, I think, the last time the tariffs were going out, guys. I don't think it's a good time to buy. I'll let you guys know when to buy. Not right now. I don't think it is, even though I did buy a little bit. But I'm going to buy some more here soon. Now, every exchange did crash, guys, right? That was it was crazy. Every exchange crashed. Jim Cramer told everyone to buy crypto right before we crashed. I told you, he's the contraindicator, the inverse. Look at Trump's coin. Literally died, went minus 82%, and I know for a fact there were insiders that put limit buy orders on all these coins that died. Okay, 100% there were, and now they're going to be so heavily in the profits, but I believe it's going to go back down there. I don't know about these coins though. XRP is going to make a new low, is my opinion. Bitcoin too. Bitcoin, I'm thinking like it's going to go down. Can't believe it though. How is Bitcoin even up? What? It's so steady, right? So President Trump to impose 100% tariffs on China starting November 1st. That was the issue. $1.6 trillion wiped out from the stock market today. Right? Only a couple percentage points down. Trillions are lost. That's for the stock market though. Right? It's almost as he knew something. Right? Look at this whale opening these shorts right before the dump occurred, by the way. Right before. But we called it too. Right? We called it too. It was at 125k resistance, I believe. So, we're going to be talking about the riddlers in the next video, guys. Yeah. Due to heavy market activity, our systems are under high load. Some users may experience, delays or display issues. Yup. So, there it is, guys. Right? I would not buy nor sell right here. Right? It's just too volatile. If you this is diabolical, guys. Just look at this. Right? When the dump occurred, like, what is this? And this by the way is 20% moves to the up and down side, right? This is the 5-second chart, and this never happens. You know how the 5-second chart is supposed to look like this, smooth, right? It's supposed to look smooth, right? Look at this, but look what it is right now. That's crazy. That's what you call bots trading. Ridiculous. So now it starts to become smooth again, right? Because the volatility is dying down. So my game plan is I'm gonna wait it out. In like a week or two, I'm gonna buy some more XRP. That's it, because I think the bottom is quite soon, to be honest. Not yet though. I think a new low is coming in. Now, financial advice: Trump needs to have some type of consequence here, as well as Aladdin and BlackRock. Now, financial advice. What is the Sophie's Maze is? See ya.